Hi, today we'll see how to configure basic authentication policy in endpoint platform. To configure the policy, we need to have a RAML first. So I created one RAML using Design Center, and I have this customer order API. So it does not have much. It consists of few endpoints, order, customer, and product. I have published this RAML to Exchange and created a API instance in API Manager. Custom order API is the API instance for that, and let us go to policies and apply basic authentication. So you need to write username and password here that you want to set. So I'll write mukul csc for now, and password is 128. You can configure this for specific resource as well, but for now we will use it for all the resources, and click on apply. Once policy is applied, and you can check your application. I have created this application and scaffolded the RAML, so it generates all of these flows. And let me run this application, and then I'll show you. I have configured this API auto discovery where I have this API ID from API manager, as you can see, and this is the main flow. Apart from it, I also configured API manager credentials here. So this is, you can either configure the environment client ID and client secret or the platform client ID client secret. So if you do a validate, you can see your organization name here. Apply and close, and as you can see, the HTTP basic authentication policy is applied. Now if I go to the postman, this is the endpoint that I have. If I send the request without the authentication, I'll get 401 unauthorized. So I need to send the basic authentication. Username will be Google CSC and password is 128. Now if I send the request, I can see the response. So this is how you configure basic authentication policy in Mulesoft.